Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change currency in Shein. So today I'll be showing you how to change your currency in Shein. First thing you need to do is open up your Shein. Once your Shein is open up, on the bottom right corner, you will see me. Click on me. And once you are here, the first thing you need to do is click on settings. So the setting will be found on the top right corner with an icon of a settings. Click on that. And once you're here, in the middle, below language and above contact, you will say currency. So to change your currency, just click on that, and then there you go. So right now my currency is PHP or Philippine pesos. So to change it to another currency, just click any of this. So today I'll be clicking US dollars. So let's click US dollars, and there you go. My currency right now is a USD currency. So as you can see right now, you can see on the wish list it's $1 and $9 and $4. So there you go. That's how you change your currency in Shein. And to change your currency in Shein in your browser, just open up your browser and type on Shein. Once you've done that, click on the top right corner. You will see a globe thing. Click on that. After clicking on that, you will see currency. And now you can change your currency also in your browser. So we're going to choose USD. And there we go. As you can see, it's still pesos, but wait, it will automatically refresh. And as you can see, it is now USD, US dollars. So now to put it back, let's click on that again and just choose the currency that you want. There you go. As you can see, I choose PHP. There you go. And then it's gonna refresh again, and there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.